Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Can we see him? Oh my God.
Wait. Hold on.
Thank you.
Oh,
We have a jersey.
Yeah.
And this is how we support you, right? And it's all about teamwork, right? Years ago, someone has provided for us too, and we are happy to be part of your team and everything you're doing here. And that's why we are here. Give a clap for yourself. You're doing
Yeah. So what do y'all want to say for this?
Thank you.
I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful.
We are grateful.
Thank you.
It's good, and I like it.
I think it was a good season, had good players, but our jersey, like, we didn't look very efficient. And it didn't look like we were ready to come play. So I think that's a good reason we got through this.